Okay everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can limit the blue light coming out of your iPhone. Now there are some things which you may be wondering about because in the past there used to be an app called f.lux, which is probably still available on like a computer and everything. So this app probably allows you to like dim the screen and make it more yellow so the iPhone emits less blue light. It used to be available back in the jailbreaking days, but as of right now, since like the older versions of iOS, you have everything hidden inside of the control center. So you swipe down to the control center like this, and you have the brightness slider which you can slide up and down without any problem. But if you hold down on it, more options show up underneath it, and one of them is basically the night shift. The night shift is what I have turned on. So when you turn it on like this, it visibly makes everything more yellow. So this is very nice to do, so you can just enable it and disable it, but this is not the only method of customization. Besides that, if you go to the settings like this and go to the display and brightness section, you have a section entirely for the night shift. So you can see night shift automatically shifts the colors of your display to the warmer end of the color spectrum, which helps you naturally fall asleep better. It's definitely better for your health, so that's why you should have it turned on. And you also have a slider to adjust it to make it more or less warm depending on your preference. But also there's the scheduling, which is very important because you may not remember to turn it on every single evening in the control center. Instead, what you may want to do is to enable the scheduling, let's say from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m., just like you can see it right here. But a better option would be to set it from sunset to sunrise. So it doesn't matter when the sun sets, even if it changes, you don't have to worry about anything. Even when you travel, go to a different country or whatever, if you have it set to this automatic sunset to sunrise, you can rest assured that whenever the sun goes down, your iPhone is going to turn on at the night shift and limit the blue light. So this is very useful. I keep it this way all the time. So this is definitely something to know about. Besides that, there's also the True Tone display, which basically does something similar, kind of. You can see the description that it adapts the display based on ambient lighting conditions to make colors appear consistent in different environments. Technically, it can make, for example, white background a little bit more like yellowish, but it's not the night shift. But I keep it turned on. It's like better for my eyes and just looks more natural. So just keep it turned on as well if you want. That's basically all you need to know about it. But it's not everything you need to know about your iPhone. To know much more, go ahead and join the Foxtecc educational platform, which is linked down below. It is free to access. And here are already many different courses you can watch. Like, for example, I just finished the Dynamic Island full course. So if you're planning on getting like iPhone 15 or 14 Pro, you definitely need to know something about it because you just need to know like all of the built-in functions and third-party apps you can use with it and like tricks and wallpapers. So much stuff to like discover there. Definitely go ahead and join, and I'll wait for you inside. For now, thanks a lot for watching. See you guys later in the next Foxtecc video.